boys, it is an absolute beaut of a day today, and we got places to be, and we're running late as usual. So I just quick cinematic edit. Let's go.
A few moments later.
All right, I didn't really record anything, so I just did a little transformation here, but the Jeep is gonna just be waiting over here, and this is gonna be our ride for today. So there's a Jeep event, so we're just gonna go and take my mom's Jeep. We took everything off yesterday. Probably should have made a video of it, but I didn't. This thing I need to pull back somehow, but yeah, so let me do this, and then I will talk to you guys in just a second. You probably can't even hear a damn thing, but we are out here in the Jeep. This is so weird. It's so windy. It's so cool though. I got my leg out. I feel like one of those people, if I see a Jeep, I gotta finger them. I gotta just dat, you know, whatever they do. Yeah, hopefully I get some clips here at the little Jeep meet. But yeah, we're out here Jeeping it, like official Jeep people or whatever, fingering people. I don't know what they do. But yeah, we're out here.
Prioritizing my health and minimizing my thoughts. I'm still surprising myself. I think about times I fought and stories I never tell. I nearly cried in my songs. I'm clearly crying for help. I sit around on my cell phone thinking about them times and all them lies I fell for. I can't even lie. It's some shit that I might fall for.
Alright guys, so you guys might remember last year I took my original Grand Cherokee Altitude out to like a Memorial Day thing. So today is Memorial Day. But you know, fortunately I have my mom's Jeep today, so we got the doors off, we got the top off, we got the whole thing. There's nothing left on it, but you guys can see there's a bunch of people here today. I don't know if it was bigger last year. I don't know what time it's even supposed to roll out. I have no friends here, just my girlfriend today. But yeah, we're just out here gonna enjoy it. So check out some shots. You know, the trackhawk is here. You guys have seen before, so let's just get a little shot.
Yeah, she get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
It's kind of crazy though, cause like you be outside and I'm inside, but I'm outside, and you never know, you could just fall out. But let's talk about the Jeep, because boys, I'm gonna be honest, I've been driving this thing all day and I kind of like it. I kind of like it. So yeah, I had mentioned the two Jeeps before because my mom was getting a Jeep here, which is finally here. You know, it took a while. You've probably seen it in the background of some videos, and then of course my dad's Gladiator, which you have seen on the channel. I've already shown it off, but we did go ahead and take the doors off. I had mentioned it earlier, but we took the doors off. She got the mirror kit thing here, so there's some mirrors, you're not completely lost. But yeah, we took the doors off, took the roof, took the back part off. You know, I don't know what any of it's called. I'm not a Jeep guy, but I've been driving around fingering everybody that I see driving a Jeep. And yeah, we had that thing, so you guys probably saw a nice little montage of clips. It was nice for Memorial Day. They do those, so it was, you know, it was a nice time, and there's a good reason behind it. If you guys do want to donate at all, they do a donation for Operation Stand Down, which I can put the information, the link down below. And if you guys want to donate, that's what it was for. It's for a good cause. So yeah, you know, it was a good time. So we did take this Jeep instead of my Jeep. There would have been no other Grand Cherokees. There is one Trackhawk, which you guys probably saw in the little montage at the beginning. But yeah, there's no Grand Cherokees, so I wanted to, you know, fit in and finger some dudes. And also, it's a beautiful day out. We wanted to enjoy the summer day, and yeah, I wore pants and I need to go shopping, but it's fine. It's fine, guys. We took the Jeep. So let's give you a quick overview of everything. I'm sure you guys can kind of tell. You guys might know specific things about Jeeps. I don't know about Jeeps, but yeah, it's got the black grille, which is a nice upgrade. It's the Willys edition. For whatever reason, she didn't want the Rubicon. She wanted the Willys one. Don't know why, but yeah, so this is what it's got. It's pretty good. It's all stock, like I said, but she does have a lot of different options on it. I'm not sure exactly what they are. I could try and maybe get them and post them up on the screen, but yeah, it's got the Siggy lighter because she's a big Siggy lover, so you know, just might as well just kill yourself in your Jeep. But yeah, she got her Siggy lighter there. This is a duck that someone just gave us at the thing. She's gonna be hyped about that. She got another one here. This one's like a micro duck. It's kind of cute. She's gonna be hyped about that. She had a Jeep back when before like I was born, and then she got rid of it because she started having kids, and there's not really much room for car seats back here. So yeah, so she's happy to finally have her dream vehicle, which is I was gonna clickbait it on the channel, but I decided not to, so I didn't clickbait it with that. But it's really nice, guys, and I'm telling you, if they made a Trackhawk version of this, then I would probably have to go for it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like just the Wrangler is super fun. It's a nice time, and it's there's like a cult behind it. So why would you not want a cult? Because like I said, our Grand Cherokee, I don't know what you would call it, cult is not very strong. You don't have like a bunch of Grand Cherokees rolling around together, at least around here. While the SRT is cool, it's not, it doesn't have the community behind, you know, the normal Jeep, and you can't off-road, which off-road's pretty cool, pretty fun. But like I said, it's really good. I actually really enjoyed it. This is like the 2022 Jeep, so it's got all the different new options in here. You can hear it start up. It does have start stop, which, as you guys may or may not know, start stop is one of the most hated features on this channel. But yeah, it's just got the standard Uconnect here, very similar to what's in my Jeep, but obviously a little bit more updated. Backup camera looks really good in these. Like, that is crispy, boys, just like the Gladiator, super crispy. But yeah, it rides really nice, and when you take the doors off, you can really just hang out of it. So it's fun, and I'm sure we're going to be doing a lot more videos here on the channel in this, just based on the fact that, you know, why just have one Grand Cherokee when I could do Wrangler videos and Gladiator videos here on the channel, and I could do Challenger videos. I have a friend with a Challenger, and I could do, I don't know, whatever other videos I want to do. But yeah, we're going to be bringing tons of content. You know, summer is here. You guys can tell I'm all sunscreened up and sweaty, so big things on the way. But let me know what you guys think about the Wrangler down below. Like it, dislike it. Let me know why or why not. I know you guys are Grand Cherokee people, so you're not going to be super into the Wrangler, but I still like it a lot. It's a really cool thing, and it's really fun, like I said, when you take everything off and you're just driving and the wind's just hitting you in the face, and you can't see anything. Your mouth gets all dry. Yeah, standard V6 in this baby, just like my other one had, the Pentastar. Hopefully has no issues going forward, fingers crossed. But let me know what you guys think about this paint color, because this paint to me is like, ooh, that's like, I almost want to put that paint color onto my Jeep, because it looks so good. And there's only one other Jeep at the meat rally Memorial Day event today. There was only one other one that had this paint color, so it's pretty cool, and it's still a Jeep color, so maybe I'll wrap it in this color. Let me know what you think of that down below. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you. So if you did enjoy, let me know down below. Oh wait, I did the first mod on our Jeep here yesterday. Look at that. Actually, that's not true. I did show you guys this on the other video when I put these plates on. I think I showed you that for like half a second. But we did the first mod the other day and did a little stubby antenna because the other one was awful.
I know where I'm going, I just don't know how I'm getting there. I swear I done lost control over all my emotions. I know this shit getting real. And baby, after all we been through, you know that you dead wrong. Used to where I left you, I picked up where I left off. After all this time, why is you still on my mind? I keep looking at my cell phone. This shit like therapy, that's why I make these sad songs. So much on my brain, put my pain in your headphones. I've been going insane, I can't take anymore. I could barely recognize my face anymore. Barely leave the crib, I'm in my bedroom recording. Barely fell asleep, then I done slept through the morning. Baby, I can't even lie, I've been alone. I did wish that me